Want to keep LibreOffice up to date with the latest fixes and improvements? Updating LibreOffice is usually quick, and you can check for new versions directly from the application or download the latest release manually. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update LibreOffice in 2026. So let's get started. First, open LibreOffice and select Help, then choose About LibreOffice. This shows the version currently installed on your computer. Checking your version first makes it easier to confirm whether the update was installed successfully later. Next, open the Help menu again and select Check for Updates. LibreOffice will connect to its update service and check whether a newer version is available. You can also configure LibreOffice to check for updates automatically. If a newer version is available, choose the option to download it. LibreOffice will show the download progress while the update files are being retrieved. Keep your internet connection active until the download finishes. Once the download is complete, choose Install to start the update. LibreOffice may ask you to close the application before the installation can continue. Take a moment to save any open documents before closing LibreOffice. If the built-in updater doesn't work, you can manually download the latest version from the official LibreOffice website. Choose the installer that matches your operating system and hardware. Make sure you're downloading LibreOffice from the official website rather than an unfamiliar third-party source. Finally, open LibreOffice again and go to Help, then About LibreOffice. Check the version number and confirm that the newer release is now installed. So your LibreOffice installation is now up to date and ready to use, and that's how to update LibreOffice. Check your current version, use Check for Updates, download and install the new release, or manually download it from the official website if necessary. Keeping LibreOffice updated can give you access to newer features, improvements, and bug fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next